Hey traders, Jason here from Leavitt Brothers. In lieu of doing a state of the market video, I am instead going to turn the camera on myself and talk directly to you because what I want to talk about could very easily be done without charts. Okay, sentiment right now is very negative, yet the market is holding up. Let's go through a couple items. Okay, one, there's a desperate desire for lower rates. Okay, so desperate, it's as if Wall Street is trying to convince everyone that without lower rates, the market and the economy are screwed. Okay, whether it's true or not, I don't know. What matters is the public is being led to believe that the economy is very fragile right now. People are nervous. Okay, to the yield curve. Okay, it has inverted. Okay, this is leading to nonstop talk about a recession, even though it's documented that the time that lapses between when the curve inverts and when a recession actually plays out is a fairly long time. But still, with the yield curve inverting, there is a lot of anxiety and stress out there. Okay, and then speaking of recessions, the media talks about them nonstop as if they are synonymous with a financial crisis. Okay, the fact is between 1950 and 2005, 55 years, there were 11 recessions, approximately every 5 years. Okay, some people lose their jobs, some companies don't survive. It sucks for those affected. But you know what? Life goes on, market continues on, we emerge from them stronger than when we entered them. They're normal, and dare I say, they're healthy. Okay? They're not something to be avoided at all costs, yet this is what the media wants you to believe, and this is adding to the collective stress level of the country. Okay, then you have the trade war, another item everyone is talking about. But I don't think Trump is going to do something that is going to hurt his chances of getting reelected. Okay, the economy is very important, and he knows this, and he knows that if he does something that disrupts the economy, he's not going to get reelected. So it's probably not going to happen. Okay, the sum of all these, the desire for lower rates, okay, the yield curve inversion, the recession talk, and the trade war has everyone believing that we are spiraling downward. Okay, expectations are very, very low right now. Gold has done great, except for the last couple days. Utilities are at their highs. Safe havens such as Coke and Walmart and Pepsi and Procter & Gamble are doing very well. And then, of course, the ultimate safe haven, which is bonds, have been bid up. Okay, and despite this extremely negative backdrop, the market has been flat. Okay, it was flat in August. It was flat going back a couple months. Like, shouldn't it be down like 10%? Shouldn't it be down like 20%? Okay, we all know what divergences are. We all know that the market can move one direction and your favorite indicator can move in opposite direction. What about a divergence between what the market is doing and sentiment, or what the market is doing and expectations? Okay, if such a divergence exists, and I do believe it does, then what we have brewing here is like a massive potential positive divergence. Okay, things are so negative, yet the market is holding up very, very well. And if this remains the case, if we get just a little bit of good news, the market could completely take off. Okay, shorts will have to cover, sideline money will have to be put back to work. Okay, will it happen? I don't know. Nobody really knows. But the odds of it happening are good enough for you to consider that it's a pretty good possibility, and you should probably have a plan in place should things start to unfold in that direction. Think about it. If you listen to the media, you would be led to believe that we're spiraling downward. Yet the S&P is pretty close to its high. Okay, all we've done is move sideways at a new high for a few months. Okay, my sense is right now that too many traders are stacked on the wrong side. And if we just get a little tilt the other way, we could have a huge, huge rally in front of us. Okay, it's possible. I don't know if it's definitely going to happen, but it's a good enough chance that you should probably have a plan in place to capitalize on it, just in case it does start to unfold. Okay, see you next time.